Okay, this is the fresh water's on top. This second one is the water inlet for the sewer. That there's a sprayer thing in the bottom of it that spurts out water and rinses off the black tank. But first what we're going to do is we're going to drain the black tank. What we are not going to do is we're not going to pull the gray tank just yet. We're going to rinse out the black tank, and then when we're fully done, then I'm going to pull the gray tank. Okay, while that's draining, we're going to set up our black tank hose. This hose is specifically for black tanks, and this is the pocket hose, which is really nice. This is 50 feet, and look how light and nimble it is. This is it. This is 50 feet. I'll put a description link of this, or a description of this below. I don't do links or anything like that. You can get this at Bed Bath & Beyond. Remember your coupon when you go there. I think Lowe's sells it. It's really nice. Oh, and what I use for freshwater tank is the 0G hose. And it's blue, so you can't mix the two up. This one's black, this one's blue, black for black tank. Right, this is not highly recommended, but this is what I do for the black tank when I'm rinsing it off. What I do is I close the valve while the water is running. Close the valve. And I wait about a minute, 90 seconds. And let the tank fill up. This is only after you drain the black tank completely. So the black tank's completely empty, and what I'm doing is I'm filling it up again. And again, do not leave this unattended when you're doing this. Do not get distracted by someone else. Do not walk away. The consequences is you're going to get a poop volcano inside of your trailer. So, again, I do this for 90 seconds. Okay, I just went inside and checked. At about 90 seconds, it fills the black tank to about, my black tank, to about 35%. Now, my black tank is either 39 or 37 gallons. I don't remember. Okay, we're gonna pull the black tank again. We're gonna keep the rinse hose or the rinse for the black tank going. And I do this about 3 to 4 times. I repeat this process. So this is one. The paper towels, toilet paper that are still stuck on around the walls, unstuck, then drains down. And any poop that's still in the tank gets washed away. So the black tank again, this is number 2. Wait about 90 seconds. Turn off the water to the rinse tank, to the rinse for the black tank, and put away the hose. Okay. WandA now. Okay, y'all, babe. Alright, since this is the last season, or last that I'll be using WandA for a couple of months, the Lysol, highly recommended that you spray Lysol on the water faucet to sanitize it. One of the water filters and the Y connector I bought in Canada does not work. So this is all going to trash now. Okay, now that I know the black tank is completely empty, we're going to pull the gray water tank down. Okay, what this does is it rinses the poop hose. But again, since this is going into the shop and also into storage, I'm going to throw away the poop hose. I've already bought a new one. So the next time we go RVing, which will be in January for the Airstream rally here at the Oasis, I will have a new hose. Alright, the 15 feet Rhino hose, I do highly recommend. This thing did not crack or splinter or leak through the entire trip. So, highly recommend it, but you know what? Already bought a new one. Again, this is 15 feet and it fits perfectly in the sewer storage unit. There we are at the toilet, and what I do is I fill this up. First of all, I get the Happy Camper odor-free holding tank treatment. I put a scoop of this inside the toilet. And Happy Camper, odor-free. This is that was 40-gallon treatment, and this is only 37. I think it's 37. Black tank, I don't know. My black tank is either 37 or 39. And this is good for 64 uses. And for the Alaska trip, 4 months, I used up 1 1/4 of this tub. So 1 tub plus 1/4 of it was good for 4 months. But I always like to have backup. Okay, what I do after that is I pour in 1 gallon of water that does not have any chlorine or Clorox in it. Okay, 1 gallon fresh water. I flush that down. And then I use more of the Dawn. I just pour it right through the toilet. So I'm going to open up the toilet, pour it right down the tank. Take another gallon of water. Two gallons. I flush this down. Okay. Then I finish that off with toilet seal, lubricant, and conditioner. What I do is I add this until the black ring in the toilet, the black rubber ring, is completely sealed. So this will keep that black seal lubricated. So no stinky smell comes out of the toilet tank. Okay, that's what I do. Okay, that's how I prep the black tank. Every time we go on it, I empty it out. I add about 2 gallons of fresh water, a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and the Happy Camper powder down the black tank, and it seems to keep it clean. Only once, when I didn't rinse it off for about 2 weeks, the black tank kind of smelled a little bit. But I rinsed it off and it was fine again. That's the process I use. Okay, thank you for watching.